We have always been the leader in manufacturing. We're the leader in technology, we're the leader in productivity, we're the leader in innovation. We set the standard across the world. And it's vitally important that the United States and North America maintain that leadership for the rest of the world, to set the standard.
A lot of the shoot and ship commodity type work has gone offshore. And so higher level, more innovative, creative work is here. And that's what makes it so exciting, because you can innovate and create and see it come to fruition.
If you've got an unreliable supply chain that stretches halfway around the world, and you need to be very agile and nimble, it just doesn't work. So we continue to invest in equipment and people, and brought that production back and are producing it here better, faster, cheaper.
As there's successes being demonstrated and shown and talked about, which is a key part of the AME conference, and the sharing of that, people start seeing the opportunity of bringing the work back to the U.S.
I think that we are on the precipice of a manufacturing boom in North America. I think North America is going to become a manufacturing center for excellence.
The Reshoring Initiative's objective is to bring manufacturing jobs back to the U.S., and we do that by helping companies understand what it really costs them when they offshore, and so they see that it's actually in their interest to bring it back. So we don't ask them to do it because it's the right thing for the country, but because it's the right thing for the company.
As we started looking at the model and looking at the true cost of what it costs to make that product in Asia, unless we were selling that product in Asia, it didn't make a whole lot of sense.
I call it a short-term approach, thinking you can outsource just about everything, and you can send it to another country, and you can get somebody to produce it cheaper. To me, if you can build the right processes and you focus on what the customer needs, that's what you should be doing first.
Later in my career, when I worked for Harris Corporation, I had that opportunity again to move stuff to China in the telecommunication market. And when we did that, we realized that the models that we were using didn't really cover the total cost of doing it.
I think you have to look at the total impact of the supply chain and the risks and what the customer is really looking for versus just making it a cost savings exercise.
And so we help them calculate the total cost of ownership, so including the carrying cost of inventory, the travel cost, the intellectual property risk, etc. And when they understand that, they see that they're often missing 30, 40, 50% of the cost.
We were able to better support the consumer, reduce the inventory, improve the quality, and bring the product back here in North America.